No.
Okay, well, then we'll
Boogity. Be my ass. Pepper spray me. Taste me. Whoa, wee-haw. Hee-haw.
Sir?
Sir.
Hey!
Do it again. Do it again. I like the rough soup. I'm gonna bite your head.
Shirt's about to be cut off. I can
And
get
spit
the
on
ice
it.
off his chest.
On September 3rd, 2025, deputies responded to a disturbance at a liquor store after a man was denied additional alcohol. The situation quickly escalated, and the suspect became aggressive and resisted officers. Even he spits on deputies before being taken into custody.
Get out. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Sure.
You got him? I got him.
Got him.
Foxtrot 314 flagger, one secured.
10-4, 1 secured.
Charlie 223 flagler.
What's going on?
Clear the channel.
So what happened?
Get him, Miranda.
Do your job and you'll know.
Come on, let's go. You get him? Let's go. All right.
54.
I got him.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got any weapons on you, bro?
I'm not sure.
You got him. I got him. I got him.
You guys home, man.
Not yet.
Charlie,
Charlie 10.
Can I get everyone for you now at this station?
That one.
So what happened?
None of your business.
Oh, this kind of my business.
Fuck you.
Okay.
All right. That you were up on the counter.
That's your job to figure out.
All right, bro. That's what we're doing, man.
Cool. I'm cool with that.
Good, man.
Excellent. So we're all on the same
As long
page.
as you're cool with us, we'll be cool with you, bro.
You do whatever you gotta do.
All right. I don't know how he's got that on him, dude.
You
What?
definitely have this tied on here pretty good, don't you?
Oh man, that means you ain't doing your job too well.
I could agree with that.
You get an ID or anything on you, bro?
Figure it out.
All right.
The best
What's
way
your
you know
name?
how.
What's your name, bro?
I don't know.
John Doe?
I'm a stupid retard.
The suspect's behavior becomes increasingly erratic as he argues with deputies and actively resists their attempts to control the scene.
Been there, done that. Cool.
Sir, can you
Yeah.
stop moving around now?
No.
Okay, well, then we'll
Boogity. Be my ass. Pepper spray me. Taste me. Whoa, wee-haw. Hee-haw.
Sir?
Fuck, sir.
Hey!
Do it again. Do it again. I like the rough soup. I'm gonna bite your head.
Shirt's about to be cut off. I can
And
get
spit
the
on
ice
it.
off his chest.
Do what you gotta do.
You guys get tired?
No, it's still
It's like attached to him.
Fuck.
All right, bro.
Hey, did you make me? I know you can, but I would like to see you in a
You're gonna go.
I would like to see you in a skit.
Oh, hey, you want some skills, sir?
Is the knife all you have on you?
I appreciate your skills.
Yeah,
What knife?
that's a hatch. It's all
Put
tied.
up, son.
Oh, I got it.
You want such a bunch of tough man. I bet your penis is real small. I understand why you would like to be a tough man.
Stop fucking.
Make me. Smash my face in the concrete. Do it. I give you my consent.
He spit at me and spit on her.
I spit again. I spit again. Smash my face. Break my jaw. Do it. Do it.
Let
Do
go.
it.
Let go.
White cracker nigger. White cracker nigger bean. Oh, you got fancy boots. Stomp on my ribcage.
Anybody got a
No. You wanna go grab them? I can grab that.
Yes, I understand the things you think will work. Yes, I understand. I understand. You bite me? And you bite me what? And you bite me what, Cracker? If you bite me what? If I bite you, what you gonna do about it, huh? Get a felony. Oh, you like to hold my hand. You think I got a felony? You think I never got no felonies before? I got both. Get off my finger. Let go. But have you ever have a finger severed?
Let go.
I don't really care. I'll figure out what means something to you. And I'll take it. I will take it.
You take any kind of medication usually, sir?
Only police on my asshole. And on my asshole like the faggots you are.
Was that prescription or no?
The prescription faggot of my asshole police? Yes. I've been prescribed a police pin.
Is everybody in here okay?
While one deputy speaks with store employees to gather details, others remain with the suspect to keep the situation under control.
Yeah, he came in and he said he had a proposal, and I'm like, no, because I'd already served him today. She told me not to serve him anymore. And he's like, shut up and listen. And I'm like, get out of my store.
First name's Raymond, Romeo, Alpha, Yankee, Mike, Oscar, Delta, no middle initial. Last name Loma, Papa Lima, uniform, Mike, Lima, Echo, Yankee. It's going to be Whiskey Mike, date of birth 09/15/1950, still presented up temporary.
Even there, being fine. Cool. Been there, done that. Yeah. No. Look at it. Beat my ass. Pepper spray me. Takes me. Smash my face. Do it. Do not ease up on my circulation. I'll remember that. I will remember that when you were my fuck.
You want to get here before we get up?
Fuck you. And fuck. I'm sorry. Jesus, I didn't know there was so many people with small penises.
Well, the medics are trying to check it out.
Eat my dick. Bite it off.
Let me see your hands for you real quick, bud. I just want to see where you're bleeding from.
That's a paramedic, not a cop, okay? He's just going to let me.
Alright, I'll cuff you then.
They're not. That's up to them, buddy.
I'm
sorry.
Even though there was 10 of you and 1 of me on the ground, facing the sidewalk, they were all such cowards that they could not cuff me. I'll remember that. I will remember that. Because when I get out of my concrete and steel box, you're going to be in a pine one. You ain't never coming out. I'll come out. I will come out. Yes, would you like to hold hands? I'm so glad you're an absolute romantic. I like romantic shit. But unless you do not want your wife to suck another man's cock, and by another man, I mean like 7. I'm cuffing. Approve.
So
you are a
it's
man right
superficial.
now.
It's only about this big, right on the middle.
Oh, about this big? You gotta flip me over to find out. You gonna pull my cock out? You want my consent?
I mean, you got like a size 9, 10 shoe, right?
I'm taking a bunch of cops on my neck for no goddamn reason. That's my response. Uncuff my hands. Be a man and have confidence. You will whip my ass. Be a man and have confidence that you will whoop my ass if I uncuff. Uncuff me, otherwise go hide your head in shame. Those are your 2 choices. I see by this boot. You are not a man. You do you have a vagina? If so, you want to have a date? I'll buy some nice food. I'll buy some nice sexy food. I will spank it. I will make love to you.
Alright, open your hand for me real quick, man.
You opening my handcuffs?
No, that's the deputy. It's me.
So you still bitches?
Yeah.
And as I expected. Do not think that I figured everything that was going to happen before I instigated. It's okay. Okay, I know you're retired, bitch. So
You're everywhere, man.
The man who think you have pig and balls.
Let go of that for me.
Bacon.
Hey, let go of that for me, bud. Huh?
Bacon. Bacon.
Like that? Yeah.
Oh, you're the winner. Does that make you feel better?
Yeah, I think that's the only one I see.
Oh,
I don't get. It's not going to require sutures or glue or anything.
Oh, retard. Thank you for telling me your operational procedure.
Make it so your door's right here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
No, that's all okay, right? Oh, it's not? I thought that's who they called out with.
No, they were over on.
Oh, I thought they called out with.
Ready?
I thought he was locked up.
Roll on your side.
We're gonna roll you on your side. Ready? We're gonna stand you up. Ready?
What you gotta do?
1, 2, 3, up. Alright, so we're gonna walk this car over.
Don't mind me.
The suspect was charged with burglary, burglary with assault or battery, resisting an officer with violence, breach of peace or disorderly conduct, criminal mischief, multiple counts of battery on a law enforcement officer,